November is here. Shop my stash time. Shop my stash. November is here. Let us see what we are getting. Palettes. More palettes. Blushes, palettes, lipsticks. Foundations, pressed powder foundations, highlighters, setting powders, blushes, highlighters. Did I say that? Maybe. Ha ha ha. So we are ready for November. Shop my stash. I'm keeping Black Radiance finishing powder, my ColourPop pressed powders, my e.l.f. hydrating primer, my e.l.f. matte primer, my Charlotte Tilbury finishing powder, my bronzer from Colored Rain, and I'm adding two things. I'm adding my MAC pressed powder foundation in NW45. For November, I'm adding the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. And this is the container. Checking to see if it's recording. Hey everyone, I am sitting in a different location today to do November Shop My Stash. Hopefully you can see everything because I can't see. I am just showing you for now. Hey everyone, welcome back. I am sitting on my day bed and I am doing Shop My Stash for November. You'll already see the whole pictures of, the clips of all the stuff I have, so I'll enter them in there. But for Shop My Stash, I'm liking this little get up. For Shop My Stash this month, I am picking 3 palettes. I have X's and O's by ColourPop. I'm just in a whole different section here. And this is what it looks like. My second palette is Queen Bee by Colored Rain. So cute, this little thing right here. And this is what the colors look like. These are the colors. I have played in it when I first got it, but now I'll be ready to play more. My third palette is Nomad, the Haunted Europe palette. This is so cute. These are the colors. This palette is so cute. I am excited to play with it. I'm outside now. And the blush that I picked today is Volume 1 by Juvia's Place. I have only used it once, but this is what it looks like. It is so pretty and pigmented. So I'll be using that blush and Flory Roberts Papaya Punch blush. Plain is passing. For highlighter, I'll be using the Hourglass Radiant Bronze Light. This is what I'll be using. And this is what it looks like. Birds. This Hourglass is not dark enough for me for bronzer, so I use it as a highlighter. I also picked 2 eyeshadow sticks. One is called Hip Hop, which is this color. And this one is called Jazz, which is this color. Hip Hop look like this. Jazz look like this. I have 6 lip colors and I swatch them all here. Those are the colors I'll be using in November. This first one here is this one right here. The second one is Juvia's Place. This one right here. It's called Soil. The third one right here is NYX. It's more like a gloss. The fourth one right here is by Milani. It is called 70 Matte Fearless. The fifth one right here is Fenty. And it is called Fenty Untamed is the name. And the sixth one is by Wet n Wild, and it is called Cherry Picking. So 6 lip colors for November. Some are liquid lipstick, some are gloss lip color, and the rest are just regular lipsticks. That is everything I have for November, and we will get into the looks. November, we're gonna play with makeup, we're gonna play with colors, we're gonna have a combination of everything. Let us have fun, show up and support. Today's encouraging word is patience. Have a lot of patience. Patience is so important because we can lose our cool if we don't have patience. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply Your Makeup, is saying to stay fabulous. Bye.